Are smart kitchen scales accurate?
Smart kitchen scales promise precise measurements for cooking and meal tracking. But how accurate are they in real-life use? In this video, we'll explore the truth behind smart scale accuracy, highlight common myths, and help you decide if they're reliable for your kitchen tasks.
How do smart kitchen scales work?
Smart kitchen scales use digital sensors to measure the weight of ingredients. These sensors are often paired with a display or a connected app, offering real-time feedback and nutritional information. Accuracy depends on the quality of the sensors and internal electronics, as well as factors like surface stability and calibration.
Myth: all smart scales are perfectly accurate.
A common belief is that all smart scales provide perfect accuracy. In reality, most smart kitchen scales are accurate within 1 to 2 grams, which is usually sufficient for home cooking. However, small discrepancies may occur, especially with very light ingredients, or if the scale is on an uneven surface.
Fact: regular calibration matters.
To maintain accuracy, smart kitchen scales should be calibrated regularly. Many scales feature a built-in calibration function, but it's important to follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Keeping the scale on a flat, stable surface and checking batteries or power sources can help ensure reliable performance.
Can smart scales replace traditional scales?
Smart scales offer added convenience, like nutritional tracking and app connectivity, but traditional digital scales can be just as accurate for measuring ingredients. The main advantage of smart options is their extra features, not necessarily higher accuracy. Both types can meet the needs of most home cooks and bakers.
Tips for getting the most accurate results.
For the best results with any kitchen scale, always use it on a level, sturdy surface. Tare the scale to 0 after placing containers and avoid overloading beyond its weight limit. Regularly clean and store your scale properly to maintain its sensitivity and accuracy over time.
Conclusion: are smart kitchen scales worth it?
Smart kitchen scales are generally accurate and reliable for everyday cooking and meal tracking. While they may not be perfect down to the smallest gram, their convenience and features make them a valuable kitchen tool. Understanding their limitations and proper use ensures the most accurate results for your recipes.